Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a historic transformation in India's criminal justice system. Home Minister Amit Shah had introduced three groundbreaking bills: the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshay Adhiniyam. Effective from today, these laws replace the Indian Penal Code, the Code of Criminal Procedure, and the Indian Evidence Act, ushering in a new era of justice. Let's explore what these changes mean for India's legal landscape. These new laws represent a significant shift from the old systems, integrating modern provisions to address today's challenges, including cybercrimes and offenses against women and children. The goal? Access to justice by all with a focus on speedy and fair trials. So, what do these new laws entail? Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita replaces the IPC. It modernizes criminal offences, definitions, and includes new crimes relevant to today's society. Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita supersedes the CRPC, streamlining procedural aspects of criminal justice for faster investigation and trial completion. Bharatiya Sakshay Adhiniyam replaces the Indian Evidence Act, adapting to technological advancements and allowing for electronic and digital evidence. These reforms will put an end to the era of Tarikh pe Tarikh, the endless delays in trials and appeals. Let's look at how these laws will make a difference. Consider the 2000 Red Fort terror attack case. The main conspirator, Mohammad Arif, was arrested shortly after the attack. Despite a series of court rulings, reviews, and petitions over 2 decades, justice was delayed. The new laws address these issues by speedy justice, simplifying court processes and setting strict deadlines for investigations and trials; efficient case management, improving court management and tracking of cases; access to justice for all, protecting the rights of all parties involved; contemporary provisions, using modern technology to streamline legal processes; humanitarian grounds, balancing justice with human considerations. To ensure these laws are effectively implemented, officers of the judiciary and police will undergo extensive training. The zone-wise approach will ensure everyone understands and applies the new framework correctly. These changes bring India's legal system into the digital age, emphasizing faster justice and victim protection. Community service punishments and improved investigation methods are just a few ways these laws promise a fairer, more efficient system. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshay Adhiniyam mark a monumental shift in India's legal landscape. They aim to rebuild trust in the justice system, ensuring fair and timely justice for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on important changes in our world. See you next time.